Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to find, clean, and replace the coarse filter on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The coarse filter in your GE dishwasher works with the fine filter assembly. These filters help trap food and debris and prevent them from entering the pump and recirculating onto your dishes. GE recommends removing and cleaning the filters every other month, or more often if you notice gritty dishes, odors, or a reduced washing performance. You may need to replace the filter if it's cracked, warped, or has heavy buildup that won't wash away. Persistent odors, corrosion, or a loose fit are also signs that it's time for a new one. Keeping your filter clean and replacing it when needed will help the dishwasher run more efficiently and effectively. If you need to purchase a replacement coarse filter for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. There are no tools needed for this repair. To remove the coarse filter, first open the dishwasher door all the way, slide the lower dish rack all the way out, and remove it. Locate the filter system on the bottom of the dishwasher tub. The filter system on this model is made up of a large coarse filter and a smaller circular fine filter. To access the filters for replacement and cleaning, turn the top of the fine filter counterclockwise to unlock it from the base of the dishwasher. You can now lift it free from the appliance. To remove the inner basket from the fine filter, turn the inner basket counterclockwise and it will click and release. To remove the coarse filter, simply lift it from the sump over mold. While you have the filters out, now is a great time to remove the basket filter from the fine filter and clean both. GE recommends removing the fine filter assembly and coarse filter for cleaning at least every other month or more frequently under heavy use. To clean the filters, run them under warm water. For more stubborn residue, use a soft sponge and soap. If you need to purchase a new coarse filter, don't settle for cheap aftermarket junk parts. Check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we only sell manufacturer-approved OEM parts. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the correct part. To install the new coarse filter, be sure that the inner basket is inserted and locked into the fine filter. Turn the inner basket clockwise to snap it into place. Place the coarse filter under the two alignment tabs on the sump and install the fine filter assembly. Rotate the fine filter clockwise until it clicks into place. The coarse and fine filters should create a smooth surface. If the fine filter is sticking up, it is not installed properly. If the filters are not installed correctly, debris can be pulled into the pump and damage or shorten the lifespan of your dishwasher and components. Reinstall the bottom dish rack, slide it into place, and close the dishwasher. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. And that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, don't forget to check your filters, and we'll see you later.